What is up guys, Standard this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bank accounts to Stripe. So first you need to head over to your browser search bar and then you need to search for stripe.com. After that, if you are new to Stripe, just simply sign up with your account, or if you already have an account, just log in with that account. And after coming to the dashboard, on the left side, you can see the balances section under the home section. Click on this, and after clicking on the right side, you can see the option of add bank account. And after clicking on add bank account, you will see that it will first send a verification code to your email. So just simply open your email and then just verify it by just going to this link and clicking on verify your identity. And after that, when your email has been verified, you need to confirm your password. And after that, you can enter your bank details like your account name, your bank account's name, or your account number, and all the details that you have on your bank account. So this is how you can add a bank account on Stripe. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.